If you're trying to add a migration and you're running into an error, and the error says add migration is not recognized as the name of the cmd function, script file, or operable program, then to fix that issue, all you need to do is you need to click underneath your solution, right click, and click on manage NuGet packages. Now we need to click on browse, and we will need to install Microsoft Entity Framework Core Tools. Select this one and press install. Click on apply. I accept. Now that the Microsoft Entity Framework Core Tools have been installed, so let's go back to our package manager and type in our command again, add migration, and in this case my description of the migration is add category to database. If I hit enter, now it should work. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.